Hey guys, so I'm back here with another video, and today we have the light kit for the Rustler 4x4. So let's get into it. So some of the features it has is the front bumper light, the front roof skid light, and the rear roof skid light. And it has the 3-volt power supply, and then the power tap is right. So let's open it up. So here's the inside of the box. You get the instructions, how to install it. Get the bumper, the roof rack, and some more stuff. So here's what's in the box. You have the top bumper, the front bumper, and the battery connector to lights, and then whatever the light receiver, whatever it is, and then, yeah, and zip ties too. So in order to install it, you have to take the top roof skid off, and also this bumper right down there off. So in order to get the roof skid plate off, you have to take that screw, that one, and that one off in order to get this top off. Here's what it looks like after you take the top skid plate off for the roof. 4 screws there will hold. Next, you have to take this front bumper off. So in order to take this bumper off, you have to take these 2 screws off right here, and then the 2 up there. And then you also have to take these 3 screws up here to get the front bumper off too. So first we did the top skid plate. So in order to do this, you have to take that template thing that comes in the kit. It's technically like tape, and then has an outline, and then you have to cut like a hole right here. Make sure it's smooth, and then, yeah. And then this bottom part here will fit in that hole. And then you just screw it back in. Now we got the top on, so it looks pretty nice. Screw it in, and then that little block comes out with the cord right like this. So now you put the new bumper on, and then you screw in these screws right down here, and then also the ones up here. And make sure this wire is not getting pinched right here, and make sure it stays up like this. And then also after that, you get the 3 screws down there. So now when you have all those screws in, then you run this wire right up in there to the shock tower. Next, you have to attach your power supply right here, right in front of there, with 2 screws and zip ties that come in a bag. It's pretty much all done. All you have to do is just wire these servos, which is pretty easy, and then you have to kind of connect that wire and battery connector part to here, and then when you plug the battery in, the lights turn on. So yeah, and make sure to give some slack to the wire up here, so that way when you take hard impacts, it doesn't pull the wire or do anything like that. Thank you for watching, hope you enjoy, and here's some of the run footage.